saluting a man who started with one lathe machine and a government officer's belief, Santhosh M. Shetty, Managing Director of Canara Hydraulics Private Limited, was felicitated as a manufacturing maestro in Bengaluru by B.R. Mohan, Joint Director, CMTI, and Ravi Radhakrishnan, Managing Director, Fenwick and Ravi. What began as a single-unit proprietary firm in Penya industrial area has grown into a 3-plant hydraulics manufacturer with over 350 employees serving OEMs across India and customers in the United States, Europe and the UAE. Built on consistency, in-house training and a refusal to stop improving, Canara Hydraulics today stands as one of India's trusted names in hydraulic cylinder manufacturing. A well-deserved recognition for a founder who never had a safety net and never needed one.
I humbly accept this honor. At the same time, I wish to thank machine makers, all their Harishankar and his team, and all the partners who are working with them to make such events very meaningful.
It was a great experience to be part of today's evening's program, where the small entrepreneurs, the MSME sector, those who have succeeded in their ventures have been honored. So nice to hear their stories, and hope to have such more events in the future.
Welcome to another season of Manufacturing Maestro. We had a fantastic one last year, and this one, the first session, is more power-packed than last year. We have more partners this time. We have a big turnout at the event in Bangalore. Really looking forward to the event in Pune and the ones coming forth after that.
Manufacturing Maestros, I feel it is very inspiring to the new generation. Whatever our stories, if they take it positively, it may be good for them to build their future.
Thank you to Machine Makers for the event that they hosted. It was wonderful meeting all the maestros in the event, and this is a very rare event where they thank all the people or honor all the people who've done big things in manufacturing. So it was a very good event, and thank you everyone.